I gave them nuts, so they are happy, I guess. You see, they are so huge. Here's more nuts. Shall I? It's just missed it. See, they know people give them food. They are waiting food. It's wrong. They have to source their food by themselves. In another way, they won't survive. Oh, she didn't get that nut. Probably she will come to me now. Hey, squirrel, give you nut. So smart. Cute and smart. Where is second squirrel? I will show you where. On the top. On that bunch. I'm not sure if you see this. So this park has two types of squirrels. Red squirrel and gray squirrel. This is gray squirrel. They are bigger than red. Finished. I have more nuts for squirrels. I love them. I love them very much. Hey. Oh. Okay, let's see if she finds it. No. Eh. Oh. She died. And ran away. You see, she's not hungry. She tries to save this nut for future. She has this opportunity to take more nuts and comes to search, and then she will put it somewhere. She will dig it. She's waiting. She's waiting for more nuts. You're not hungry. Hey, squirrel. They are fighting for nuts. This is second one. Okay. She found the previous nut and she's having second one. She just didn't see this. She found. Nice.